this video, I'll teach you how to blur faces in Premiere Pro and also any moving object for that matter. To start off, let's head over to the effects panel. Under the search box, type in mosaic, then drag it onto your video. This will blur out everything in your video. We don't want that, of course, so in the effect controls panel, activate the eclipse mask. This will create a blurred out circle that we can put on the face or the object that we want to blur out. But of course that's not all. This is a video, so we need the blur mask to track the face. Luckily, we have this feature called Track Mask Forward. If we click on it, this will automatically create the necessary keyframes and will basically track the area that we put our circle on each time that area moves, if that makes sense. You can then assess if that automatic tracker did a great job or not. In case it didn't, you can drag this slider to better see the keyframes and change the position that didn't fit correctly, just the way I'm doing it right now with my mouse. You can also increase the mask feather a bit if you want to soften the mask edges. You can decrease the blur effect a bit with the opacity setting, maybe adjust the mask expansion as well to better fit the face. But that's not all, because we need to adjust more settings. So if you scroll down and we increase the vertical blocks, you can see that the effect fits the video better. You can also play with the horizontal blocks setting to see what's best for your video, but ultimately you can change this settings value to 200 and this one 250 for example. And yeah, like I said, this works for both faces, objects. If you want to blur out certain things in your videos like guns, I don't know why you would have guns in your videos, but anyways, please like and subscribe and feel free to watch this next tutorial.